In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or adjust borders on Figma quickly and easily. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, knowing how to modify borders is an essential skill that can vastly improve the presentation of your designs. So let's get started and dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that we'll be working with today. If you haven't opened it up on your browser yet, go ahead and do so. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on log in to access your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to make this step smooth and quick. If you're not already signed up, you might need to go through the registration process first. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is where your journey begins, where all your recent projects and shared files are listed. From here, you'll want to navigate directly to the Design tab. This is critical as it's your main workspace where all of today's magic will happen. Clicking here will open up your current projects, allowing you to select the one you wish to work on. Now with your project open, it's time to select the specific shape or frame to which you want to add or adjust borders. Carefully click on the shape or frame in your design that requires a border edit. Selecting the correct item is essential as it ensures that the adjustments will be made to the right element. Once your shape or frame is selected, direct your attention to the panel on the right hand side of the screen. Here you'll notice various options including the stroke setting. Clicking on stroke will present you with the opportunity to alter the border's appearance. Within this menu you can specify the border's weight, color and style, experimenting with different configurations to suit your design needs. A helpful tip to keep in mind as you adjust these settings is to check the preview of your changes in real time. This allows you to see exactly how various adjustments impact your design, providing the flexibility to tweak settings until your borders meet the desired visual criteria. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add or adjust borders in Figma. By following these easy steps, your design should now have that extra visual polish. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different styles and weights to really get the hang of it. As always, keep exploring and pushing the boundaries of your creativity. Thanks for watching and happy designing.